Welcome back, everybody. I want to show you a quick tip here. If this has happened to your chainsaw chain specifically, have a look here. So I was cutting some pallets with this saw here, and all of a sudden the chain wouldn't turn anymore. Then I noticed that part of the chain has kind of come out of the rail and it's seized in there. So I'm going to show you how to fix this very quickly. All right, if this has happened to you, grab your scrunch. Loosen the two bar nuts over here, and then loosen the chain over here so that you can get the chain slack again to actually put it back on the bar properly. So I'm going to have to turn the chain back quite a bit. See how loose it came? And here's where it came off. Okay, that should be loose enough now. Okay, now I've got it on the top of the bar. Make sure it spins all around the bar, and the reason why I'm doing this is because sometimes you might get burrs on the drive links underneath right here. So what I often see here is burrs on the drive links, and then the drive links won't get back into the bar. I actually have a video showing how to fix that. I'll put that in the video description and in the comment section for you to watch, just so that you can save a good chain in most cases. And now I'm going to hold the bar up and just tighten up the chain. Now I think this may have happened because the chain may have been a bit too loose, looser than it should have been when I went to use my saw here. So always hold the bar up until the two nuts have been tightened up. And make sure you can spin the chain freely. And this is the amount of play I will leave in my chain. It's going to spring back. I have it a little tighter than normal because I'm cutting pallets with it. But typically, yeah, you just want it like this, maybe a little looser, not much, but you want to be able to see about half of the drive links or 3/4 of them, and that's a good tension. So if this happens to you guys, loosen the bar and chain, get the slack in the chain, put it back on, and make sure you can turn it all around. Make sure to check out the other video that I told you about to fix burred drive links on chainsaw chains. So thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Have a great day.